Had it out for old J. Jonah Jameson from day one, blaming Jameson for being stuck in a damn suit. Spidey had better get there quickly, or JJJ may end up in the obituaries of his own paper.
Alright, Old Man Reviews here, and this is Race to the Bugle to save an ungrateful guy. Him working on it. Ooh, nice. Alright, so apparently the thugs they hired only know one word. And apparently they're obsessed with cows as well or something. Alright, is this where I get my exposition? Yes.
Get away, Gargan!
Oh. That should have been better. That's weird. The timing's off on that. Alright, and the timing goes back on, so. And I am at the bugle. Chuckles.
Leave him alone, Chuckles. But how Spider-Man!
Alright, now. Can't be too close to him for too long, or he'll hurt you. Just like that. He's so focused on Jameson. Wow, that is the first time I ever completed this level without it going into the other section of the room. Interesting.